2.5-ton mini excavator with cab. This machine comes with high-quality Kubota engine plus hydraulic thumb, and a swing boom, to make your work fast and efficient. With 2-year warranty on the engine, and 1-year warranty on parts only, this machine is easy to use and recover as we have all the parts ready to provide even if the warranty expires. Our showroom is located in Hamilton, Ontario and Surrey, British Columbia, but we provide delivery all across Canada and USA. Call today and book your deal at 365-888-3765 or visit our website www.capitalautoequipment.com.